Why did Allied pilots dread one German fighter more than any other? The answer, the FW-190. Let's see why it earned the name Butcher Bird. The FW-190 first took flight in 1939. By 1941, it was tearing up the skies over Europe. With a top speed of almost 410 miles per hour, it could outmaneuver most opponents. Its powerful BMW radial engine packed a punch, and so did its weapons. 4 cannons, 2 machine guns. It could shred bombers and fighters. But the Butcher Bird wasn't just tough. It was versatile. It fought as a fighter, a bomber hunter, and even a ground attacker. Allied pilots quickly learned to fear its silhouette, especially in dogfights. By the end of the war, over 20,000 FEW-190s were built. Fast, deadly, and iconic, the FEW-190 truly earned its legend. Would you dare fly against the Butcher Bird?